Hi. So we're facing a pandemic, and everyone's living in fear, full of anxiety, panic. We're not sure what we're dealing with, and we're not sure who's going to get it next. Who's going to die from it? Who's going to recover? We're not sure. In Exodus 12 and verse 23, God had instructed the Israelites to put the blood of a lamb on the doorposts and the lintels of their houses. And that was their standard. That is what they had to do. Me being a key worker, a mental health nurse, I'm following all the standards that's been advised by the health department. We're constantly cleaning, we're constantly doing our social distancing, we're doing our part physically. But I want to remind you that God promised that He will raise up a standard against the enemy, especially when he sweeps in like a flood. The flood will meet the blood of Jesus, and no weapon that is formed against you shall prosper. Keep that in mind. Remember, God will do His part, you do yours, and win each day. Okay? Have a nice day.